So today we're going to answer the age-old question of what does it look like if I let Calendly set up my Zoom links for me for parent-teacher conferences. So just a quick look back over at Calendly. You can see here when I set them up, I said for the location, I picked Zoom. And so Calendly is going to create the individual Zoom meetings for me. Well, what does that look like? And what do I have to do? Well, real simple. You can see here Bob Smith went on Calendly and he set up a meeting with me using my Calendly link. So he went there and he set up a meeting for me to talk with him about his child at 8:45 a.m. on the 5th. All I have to make sure I do is just before 8:45, I want to open it. I want to click on the link and I want to start my Zoom meeting. And that's it. Open Zoom meetings. Wait for Mr. Smith to click in and attend the meeting. When I'm done, close the Zoom meeting and move on to my next class. And so if there were, say, 5 or 6 different appointments along here, prior to each appointment, I will have to click on the appointment and open the Zoom meeting by clicking on it. That's it. Just remember, every meeting is different. So you've got to go to every meeting just before it starts and open the Zoom link. That's all you have to do. And again, you can always reach out to me if you have questions.